So the first thing that we do is that we go to messages and we open the message sent by school, and you can see there's a link. You copy the link and then you open the link in Chrome. You just have to long press here and then paste. So the interesting part out here is that the entire message gets copied, but we want only the link. So we have to delete the previous part of the message. And now we just click on go. And so this is what comes out. That is with the student's name. Now you just have to, you can see that there are a lot of subjects that are out here. So you just have to click on the subject that you want to have a look at. So let's say drawing, and then you wait. Drawing opens up and you can see that there are two parts. One is the recent topics that are there, one is the assignments that are there. Now if you want to see all the topics that have been uploaded so far, you go to see more topics. Okay, so here you can see all the different topics that are here. Now you can go to any of the topic that you want to have a look at. Let us say, let us go to the last topic that has been uploaded, and this is the last topic, and you click here. So you see the topic has come, and there's a video also that is getting loaded. So now you see, if you want to download the video, there is a arrow button on the top above the video. You can download it, or else you can just watch it through the internet connection also. Now to make it full screen, you can just have to press these three buttons here, and the options are not very visible, but the topmost option is full screen. So just click on that, it becomes full screen, and then you just have to click on play.
Hello students, I hope.
Again you can go back, and so this is how you can view the assignments that the teacher has given. It might be in the form of an audio file, a video file, or a PDF or an image. Let us go back and let us see assignments part. So if there are any assignments that the teacher has given, so let us go to the latest assignment that has been uploaded. These are all tests that have been done. So here you are. Okay, now you see whatever it is, the teacher has given assignment. It says draw a parrot. Okay, and if there is anything that has been uploaded here, you can see there's something called gas bill. This I have just uploaded for just to demonstrate. You can just click on that, and here you get this message. You just have to click on this here where it is written here. You just have to click here, and it gets downloaded. Okay, and then you can have a look at it. So it opens to Acrobat Reader. So here it is. Now you can go back and let's go back to the okay, or you can cancel it. So this is how it is, and then if you want to go back to another subject, you just have to click that particular subject, and then once again you can see the different topics and the assignments that have been given. We will also have an option where the students will be able to upload assignments. In fact, it is already made, but we have not got it ready yet. So just a couple of more days and that will be ready. Okay, so that's about it.